Pick her up and give her a cuddle. Give her a cuddle. A cuddle. That's her mouth. Look, if you push her tummy, she'll laugh. Do you give her a kiss? Give Dolly a kiss. Go, ah, nice Dolly. Kiss for Dolly. Ah, nice Dolly. Cuddle Dolly, that's right. Who's on the telephone? Say hello. Who's there? Hello. Who's there? You dancing? Say hello. Who's there? Hello. Who's there? That's right. It's a telephone. Hello. Who's there?
Hi. Hi.
Ah, nice Dolly. Is Dolly giving you cuddles? Hello, who's there? Say hello.